Typical lateral meniscal posterior root tears on MRI are indicated by the red arrows in the figure. The standard anterolateral portal and anteromedial portal are established. A ripstop repair is performed using an all-inside meniscal repair device. Following meniscal repair, an accessory anterior median portal is established to facilitate suture management and instrument maneuverability. The single high posterolateral portal is established approximately 10 to 15 centimeters above the posterolateral joint line, positioned between the iliotibial band and biceps femoris tendon. The lateral meniscal posterior root tear is identified and repaired through the anterolateral portal. Under 90 degrees knee flexion, an 18-gauge spinal puncture needle is advanced under arthroscopic guidance. The inner stylet is replaced with a 1 mm Kirschner wire, which is retained as an exchange rod upon needle withdrawal. The all-suture anchor cannula is directed by the Kirschner wire to the target footprint. A 1.8 mm V-lock all-suture anchor is placed through the guide device. All four limbs are retrieved forward through the anterolateral portal using a suture retriever. The first suture hook and the second hook are inserted approximately 10 mm and 5 mm from the lateral meniscal posterior root tears respectively, and the PDS sutures are introduced through the hook to guide the suture limbs. The suture limbs are passed through the meniscus by PDS. One side of suture limbs are retrieved through the accessory anterior median portal, and another are retrieved through the anterolateral portal to minimize tangling risks. The suture limbs initially retrieved through the anterolateral portal are shuttled to the accessory anteromedial portal using the suture retriever. Paired sutures are tensioned and tied in a sequential manner from the accessory anteromedial portal, ensuring anatomical reattachment to the footprint. Suture ends are trimmed after confirming stable fixation.